Okay friends, I'm trying to do this really close so you can see it. I hope it'll work out as good on camera as I'm hoping. We'll see. But when you do it at home, it should work out great. So this is called underwater fireworks. This works best if you fill your bottle. I'm doing 3, but you can just do yours 3 times. With hot water. The hotter it is, the faster the water molecules move, and so it happens faster. But if you want to calm your kids down, you can do it with cold water, and it'll take a little bit longer and just kind of help soothe. It's really fascinating. So what we have is water and oil. We're going to pour just a little bit of oil into this cup right here. And we know that water and oil do not mix. And we also know from all of our past experiments that food coloring is the same density as water. So it's going to mix in with the water really well, but it's not going to mix with the oil very well. So we're going to start with yellow. And I'm going to put some drops of food coloring in the oil. I'm going to put 3 drops. 4 drops of food coloring in the oil. And I'm going to stir this up with a fork so that it breaks the drops into little tiny pieces. See how they're in little tiny pieces now? But they're not mixing with the oil, they're just sitting. And they're heavier than the oil, so they're falling to the bottom. But I'm going to dump them in here. And as I dump them in, this is awkward, I'm going to use a funnel. As I dump them in, the oil is going to float. See, it goes in and then it goes up to the top. And it brings the food coloring with it because the food coloring was stuck in there. But as the food coloring drops to the bottom of the oil, you can see how, can you see it? Does it look like fireworks under the water there? Okay, I'm going to do another yellow one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, stir that up. Let's do another yellow one. Okay, you can see how those, as they hit the water, those little drops explode with color as they hit the water. You see them? Oh, those look cool. Now, I want to just do a little color mixing because we're here. We've got food coloring. So to my yellows, I'm going to do 1 blue, so let's put in 3 blue drops. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to stir this up so they're all in little drops. And let's add some blue to this yellow. What color do we get when we mix yellow and blue? Should we see? Let's check out these blue fireworks in our yellow water. See, they're blue right here, and then they start to explode. Can you see that? That's so fascinating. Okay, let's add some red to this one. Put some oil in here. And 3 red drops. 1, 2, 3. Now look at this blue. As the blue gets mixed in with the yellow, what color do we get? Right, adding red to the yellow here. Let's look at these red fireworks in our yellow water. You see them exploding? And we'll find out what color do we get when we mix red and yellow. All right, our last one, I'm going to start with red. So I'm going to put some red food coloring in here. 1, 2, 3. I'll do 4. Okay, 4 red drops. And put them in here. You can watch those red fireworks. What color are we getting as red and yellow mixed together? Oh look, a few little blue drops were left in my cup. Okay, now I'm going to add some blue to the red. So, red and yellow make orange, and blue and yellow make green. What color will we get when we mix red and blue? So I have my red water, and I'm going to add 3 drops of blue coloring. can watch the blue fireworks in the red water and see what color we get there. Oh, there they go, blue fireworks. I love to watch how it swirls together. I find that fascinating. You know, that is how the water is moving. You can see how the hot water moves when you add these food coloring, because you know, once it all gets to be the same color, you can't see that movement, but when the colors are separated, you can see it. Oh, this looks so dark. Maybe I should have put in fewer drops so you could tell better what color it is when you mix blue and red together. It's supposed to make purple. Does it look purple? So red and blue make green. Oh my goodness, yellow and blue make green. Red and yellow make orange, and red and blue make purple. Awesome. I can't wait for you to try underwater fireworks.